So you fuckers, welcome back. You cocksuckers, huh? You know that, fuckers, huh? I literally blow that fucking account, okay? So you motherfuckers, you're saying that I'm a fucking loser. I'm a fucking loser, huh? I'm a fucking loser, huh? Fuck you, man, fuck you. Let me show you what the fuck I'm doing with the fucking markets. It's only one loss, but I'm a fucking winner. $50 deposit to make the fuck out of me. Fuck this. 500 in some hours, man, motherfuckers. And fuck, man, no one can fucking beat me. No one. No one. I'm gonna kill this fucking market. I'm gonna kill you, motherfuckers. This is a fucking awesome, man.